Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix Windows 10 sleep settings keep changing. When the sleep settings in Windows undergo unexpected changes without the user's consent or knowledge, it can lead to frustration and confusion. This issue affects users who rely on consistent power management settings to optimize battery life and prevent data loss. In this video, we will guide you through various troubleshooting steps to resolve this annoying problem and regain control over your computer's sleep behavior. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to run the SFC scan. SFC, or System File Checker, scans your computer for corrupt system files that may have caused sleep settings to change constantly. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then, click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu. Add the command prompt window, type the command SFC scan now and press enter. Wait for SFC scan to complete. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer reboots, check if the sleep settings keep changing issue is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. Next is to run Power Troubleshooter. By running the Power Troubleshooter, you can quickly diagnose and fix common power-related issues that may be causing the sleep settings to keep changing in Windows 10. To do this, press Windows or the Start button at the lower left, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Settings windows, click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot at the left pane, click Additional Troubleshooters, scroll down and click Power, click Run the Troubleshooter tab. The Power Troubleshooter will now search for problems. If problems are detected, it will show potential fixes. If there are no problems detected, close the Troubleshooter window. Check if the sleep settings keep changing issue is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. Another solution is to update graphics driver. An outdated driver can cause power-related issues on your computer. In this case, the settings keep changing. To fix this, make sure graphics drivers are up to date. To do this, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type dev.mgmt.msc at the Run box and press Enter. Click the Display Adapters category in the Device Manager window to expand it. Next, right-click on the driver and then click on Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. Once the best drivers are already installed, click Close to exit. Restart computer. Once the computer reboots, check if the sleep settings keep changing issue is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. Next solution that you can do is to do a malware scan. Running a virus scan using reputable antivirus software can help identify and eliminate any malware or malicious programs causing the sleep settings to keep changing in Windows 10. To do this, press Windows or the Start button, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security, then click Windows Security at left pane. Click Virus and Threat Protection under Protection areas. Now, under Current Threats, click on Quick Scan. Windows will now scan computer for virus and threats. Wait for scan to complete. Check if sleep settings keep changing issue is fixed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.